Yo, today I decided I was gonna make vegan chicken teriyaki sushi with some jerk cabbage and some spring rolls. Let's get started. You see that I cut it up the vegetables. I also washed the rice. I'm throwing it in the Instapot, in the rice cooker function. I'm adding the jerk seasoning to the cabbage with some red onions and some carrots and a little bit of seasoned black pepper. So it's time to add the vegan chicken to the pan. Go ahead and get that cooking. The rice is ready. Add a little bit of sweet cooking seasoning. Now it's time to roll up. Now this is my first time doing sushi, and man, it was not hard at all. So I don't know why they be charging the arm, leg, breast, and the thigh for sushi. You can pretty much make this yourself. And guess what? Time to eat.